Friends, today I am back with some new iPhone experiment video. Let's do some scary experiment on iPhone, guys.
What?
Real lava versus iPhone ultimate test. But friends are not giving to able to lift the iPhone until it is broken into pieces inside the hot lava. iPhone 12 Pro versus Microwave. iPhone 12 Pro inside the microwave with chocolate cake. Dropping an iPhone 12 Pro inside Spire Break Tower. As a result of the dropping the iPhone from such a height, some parts of the phone have been slightly damaged, but the phone is still active. Powerful grind versus iPhone 6 experiment. What happens if you shoot an iPhone 6? The bullet from the pistol pierced the center of the iPhone. Water versus iPhone 6 experiment. But incredibly, the iPhone is still active after 10 minutes underwater. How many iPhone does it take to stop an AK-74 bullet?
What?
Milk versus iPhone experiment. But unfortunately, the iPhone 6 and iPhone XS Max inside the milk has become useless.